Welcome to Homework Hacks. Today, we're exploring an important and fascinating topic, climate change. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what climate change is but also learn how you can help tackle it. Let's get started. First, what do we mean by climate change? Simply put, it's the long-term change in average weather patterns on Earth. Think of weather as what's happening today, like rain or sunshine, and climate as the overall pattern over many years. For example, a rainforest's climate is warm and wet, while a desert's is hot and dry. Now, Earth's climate has always changed naturally over millions of years, but what scientists are seeing now is different. The planet is warming much faster than ever before. This is what we call global warming, a key part of climate change. So, why is this happening? Imagine Earth is wearing a giant invisible blanket made of gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor. This blanket traps heat from the sun and keeps our planet warm enough for us to live. This is called the greenhouse effect, and it's a good thing. Without it, Earth would be freezing. But here's the problem. Humans have been adding too many greenhouse gases to the atmosphere by burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas for energy. It's like adding too many layers to that blanket, making Earth hotter and hotter. It's like when you're sleeping and accidentally pile on too many blankets. You wake up sweating. Climate change affects everything around us. Here are some big examples. Hotter temperatures. Heat waves are becoming more common and intense. Melting ice. Glaciers and polar ice caps are melting, causing sea levels to rise. Extreme weather. Storms, floods, and droughts are happening more often. Wildlife challenges. Animals like polar bears are losing their habitats. And it's not just nature. Climate change can impact our health, food, and even where we live. Rising temperatures can lead to the spread of diseases like malaria as mosquitoes thrive in warmer climates. Food production can suffer as droughts and unpredictable weather make farming harder, leading to higher prices and food shortages. In some areas, rising sea levels and extreme weather could force communities to relocate entirely, creating climate refugees. The good news: we can all help slow down climate change. Here are some simple things you can do. Save energy. Turn off lights and appliances when you're not using them. Reduce waste. Recycle, compost, and avoid single-use plastics. Plant trees. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, one of the main greenhouse gases. Use less fossil fuel. Walk, bike, or use public transport instead of driving. Here's a challenge. Try going one day without using anything made of plastic. Can you do it? Now, here's a game for you. Imagine you're a superhero trying to fight climate change. You can pick 3 superpowers to help the planet. What would they be? Perhaps this could be a project you could talk about at school. I'll share my 3 picks in the comments, so check them out and tell me yours. And that's it for today's easy guide to climate change. Remember, small changes add up to make a big difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and educational content. See you next time on Homework Hacks.